remove that generator from the engine. Unfortunately, that generator is not can't undo the flex plate bolts to pull it out, so we're gonna have to leave the revolving field mated to the engine and slide the whole generator stator back. And that's gonna be cute because we got about 2 millimeters space underneath that field. Yeah, there you go, Tom. Might be just enough. Might get two.
This is a quick shot of the control panel for this thing. It has been worked on several times. Wires have been untagged, moved. The documentation we have from Generac on this is very poor and hard to read, so what I'm probably going to end up doing is completely rewiring this whole unit and making an updated print that we have digitally. Duke, get out. Oh, go back down a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Don't tell me that. There we go.
That's it. It's very, very close.
All right.
When it's humming, it might supposed to be this mistake.
What you said? You're giving Hummers.
No, you're giving Hummers. I'm giving steak dinners.
A piece of wood. I can't remember the knob.
You want to take more oil?
Too much. You picked the whole thing up. He said crank away, did he not?
I didn't know how far you fell on it.
Too much.
Now. Yeah, we're gonna have to inch this just a little bit.
Like before that last yank would have probably been good because I seen it sit on the mount.
This bad time we probably have to come up and then come back down just to see where we're at.
Right there, you just came off the back mounts.
Just came off.
Okay, that'd be good to pull that end bell off then.
Take the rest of this off?
Yes, sir.
That one's coming all the way out the
Yep.
anti housing.
Oh, it's undo.
The rod is, yeah.
Tommy, it's holding up okay for now. Contraption. Bottom, it looks like.
Yeah, you further out on the top than you are at the bottom.
Can you click one more time up? Or you think you're good?
One more click.
One more click. That help for a bit?
Yeah, a little bit. It's just wobbling
It's
back
wobbling.
and
That's good.
forth. Is there a snap ring here?
I've never seen a snap on the backside. I'd have to get a flash.
I don't see one. Alright, it's wobbling, the bearing is
Yeah.
walking its way out.
There you go.
There you go.
Click it up one more time.
Okay.
All right. Right at it. Is it spring brush or something? Got a spring in here.
Yeah, something else fell out.
Looks like it came from
Probably for
right
the
here.
brushes.
Yeah.
One of the brushes fell out.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Put it in a battery box.
Put that inside.
Get a flashlight. We gotta look at the clearance all the way around, make sure we're very, very close. Okay. We gotta click it down, maybe like a click.
Take a look at it. It moved.
You did?
Oh yeah.
No.
More.
No. Oh. A little more. That should be close enough.
Talk to me. What's next? Stator housing.
This is gonna come back, but I would recommend taking that piece of wood, tap it as you pull it back.
Keep the.
We're gonna have to
I'll
roll this.
grab a sod, you grab a sod, we'll
Okay.
roll it back
Wanna make
as you
sure
tap
same
it
page.
on the shaft.
Kevin.
Yep.
You want to swing this while I pull on the chain
Swing this one in.
against there while I keep pressure on the chain.
Just
Just
use it.
light touch, yeah. Big touch.
Mom and Dad, and they broke free over here.
Jared, is that stator housing going to separate from that ANSI?
It's got jack-off bolts in it. Or place for some
What if we stuck
pry
something in
bar.
there?
That's what I was just thinking.
Talking about the front flange?
You ready?
I got some more screwdrivers.
It's not even moving.
You want to tap on it some more?
It ain't moving. Something's holding it still.
There's nothing here.
No, that's just people that get access to the boat
Yeah.
off the block.
All those have been taken out.
And that's just plugs.
Yeah. There's no more at the bottom that
Hit it right here with some penetrating spray or something.
We can, yeah.
You don't have
Hey, you got your dead blow?
On my toolbox.
It's probably just stuck from corrosion.
Yeah.
There you go.
Torque it down, that's one thing.
I felt something go up.
You ever notice that with this?
Yeah, see if you can, yeah, maybe pry on the other side might help.
You want a smaller one, John?
Actually, this is working great for me.
I'm going too far. Separate.
Damn.
Looks like it's made it on there, huh?
It's on there good.
There's chaos.
Now that it's opened up a little bit, spray some more penetrating fluid in the crack. Yeah, you gotta lube the crack up before you get into it.
Come up a little bit more on the generator. About 2 plates. Try it again. There's no more bolts in there.
Nope.
Underneath it all.
Is those jack bolts actually going to push on the stator housing, or is it
No, it pushes on here.
Is that opening up the crack on the top any?
No. Where's the hammer? Give it a little shock.
Yeah.
It's coming. Hold on. Let me get to the bottom. Alright, go ahead and hit it again like you were.
Get it on the
There it goes, there it goes.
Yeah.
You want to start tapping on this?
Yeah.
I don't think you need it.
It's not, well, the
It's
center
loose.
chunk isn't moving.
just be sure it don't drag across the windings?
Look at the bottom of the revolver.
Watch it ding-a-ling.
Hold on. Hold on.
Probably got
Put that
this.
piece of metal over that hole right there, please.
Measure you got from the top
This?
to the
Yeah.
bottom.
I think I got more on the top.
Okay, then it needs to come back down a little bit. You can only
Yep,
come
it
so
just-
much because one side will put it in the bond if you come up too hard. The other way it's just hard.
If you scrape them, then we got to rewind it. And this is on the edge of. It's probably cheaper to buy another generator than it
Oh,
is
yeah.
to rewind it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Nah, I don't want to do that. I
Good.
don't want to have to rewind it.
Did something just fall in there, or did the
That thing moved.
I think it's got to come down because the
Down a
plate
little bit.
right here
Mhm.
is gonna drag.
You pull
At the
down.
bottom,
Mm-hmm.
you gotta come down.
Oh, there it goes.
Sweet.
Hold on, let's roll.
Like I said, there's not much
Hold on.
play in there. That's like maybe like a millimeter and a half, not even 2.
Really?
Yeah. It's tight.
Oh, we got to roll forward now.
Hold it.
Wow.
You may have to go a little bit.
Come off.
Good.
Jared, you rewind that?
Mm-hmm.
And this.
Well,
Machine
this is a
does that?
small
Or you
one.
do that?
I do.
Wow.
Some of them is done by hand, and some of them they got some loop machines to do it with. But this is probably one of the smallest generators that you can get rewound. And the cost of rewinding it,
Yeah.
you can almost buy a new one.
So
And
that would, any of that would take some fucking time just sitting there with.
It's very labor intensive. The thing,
Holy
that,
crap,
the
dude.
thing that costs so much, you gotta install all that stuff. In the factory, it's not a lot of insulation, but when you rewind it, you've got to put insulation
Yeah.
so you can put the wires in.
And then, dude,
Right.
sometimes when they go to rewind it, the motor shop will call and be like, "Look, man, we can either give you a little bit less horsepower or output than you had, or a little bit more," because they'll use an odd size wire on the inside of that
Convert
winder.
circular mills over to go with maybe the bigger wire and
I
less.
got you.
Alright, Jared, what's next? Unbolt it from the flex
Unbolt
plate.
it from the flex plates. I would grab something around here, like a strap or something, to support this.
Hey, where's that soft strap that we got the other day?
The nylon strap?
That would be best. You could
Remember
just
that
choke
loop
it.
strap?
That way, when it undoes, you can just swing it away. And you,
Okay, so we need to unhook this and roll
Yeah,
this
I
back.
got it loose. We just need the strap.
And these are in fine shape. Auto got these maybe 150 pounds of wire in there.
So you're looking at 225 pounds, give or take, with the casing and all.
I would think so.
And this bitch don't look like neither.
No, the revolving field. No.
Looks pretty hefty duty.
Yeah, we actually cut these, take the pole pieces off, put them on machine, wind them. But these are mush winds. It's not farm calls or nothing. So
Is that normal? Is that right there and right here?
that's what
It's like solder.
There's
Just
really
solder.
not a lot of flex plate on there. That thing's pretty much hard bolted.
To the
Yeah.
Straight on.
wow.
Sometimes they'll have multi layers of like
Oh, yeah.
different thicknesses metal in there, and it's
True flex
actually
plates.
a true flex plate.
Mm-hmm.
That's,
That's
a
why I
chunk
was
of
scared
metal
about
right there, dog.
us putting it up. I didn't know
Yeah.
how much flex it had.
Little one ought to do it.
Hold it. Alright.
Tell me when, Jared.
Oh, that should be very close.
A little more.
Yeah, a little bit more. That'll work this way. A little more. Oh, right there.
Yep, you picked up on it right there.
The hair,
Can you
yeah.
come down a clip? Right there.
All right.
Break the flex bolts and down.
You step out the way.
Let the man get do his
Is
thing.
that strap tight? We're not gonna swing out on it whenever it like is this the choke? I've had them things not be quite center when you're picking something up. When you let the weight off one, it go whoop.
Freaking Tarzan.
Fucking good morning, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Pick up there for about a month and then back.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna later on we'll build one for me. It's too easy to do. And we're doing Cody. Jared's a lot better man than me. Winding wires like that.
Very tedious.
Gotta be, dude.
We just did a generator. It was a 1850 kW.
1850.
1850. The whole pieces like this, the coils, they're about 4 foot, 3 foot.
Holy
If you look on, I don't know if it's on my Facebook or my YouTube, one of them, we changed some 500 megawatts out at Ram Pile, and you can stand inside the stator house.
Stator.
That's crazy, man.
We got a picture of one of the wanders inside of the stator. He's like this.
We dropped. We were going to put the nuts where the 4160 volt lead into the pecker head on the generator, and we dropped some nuts down there. And we had this NOP that was, I mean, he was 100 pounds soaking wet. We put a chain fall and tied the strap around his feet, and we flipped him over and put him in the top of the generator so he can reach down there and get them nuts out the bottom.
Holy crap.
You could at least give him a bungee.
Awesome.
The
6 foot bungee and a 5 foot hole.
Yeah.
One of the utility team leaders came out there and he goes, "I'm going back inside. I don't know nothing about what y'all doing."
That I didn't want to know.
That kind of makes me feel better about alignment on this thing. I thought we was gonna catch hell trying to,
It all
get a
depended on
dial
the flex
indicator in there and get an alignment on it. But
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we used to do the big Waukeshaws with compressors or generators or whatever, they had some openings in the back of the SAE bell housing, and we would put a dial indicator on there on a little bracket, and you rotate it all the way around, and you check how much it flexes going up and down, and you either shim the motor or shim the generator. And
Tedious, huh?
That one didn't break loose?
No, I guess I missed that one.
Maybe to raise that up a little bit.
Give me another clip.
Yeah. Thing like it looks like it's leaning down now. Whoa, now.
man with a swivel like that, I've been on a job and got tired of that shit.
Go over there, I'll put a handle on it.
Yeah, because the weight's gonna be on your front. Good.
Come roll the thing forward.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I'll say I can get in there.
Something got it caught.
Hold on. Hold it back a little bit. Hold on.
Something in front of the wheel now.
What do you got?
A piece of that brush.
Let it down, John.
Hold on. Watch your head. No, I can't pull it. The rest of it.
Remind me when we go back together to bring my chainsaw from the house.
This thing sucks, man. I appreciate it, but it's
Yeah. This is a decommissioned Conrad's. We don't want to use it no more thing.
Oh, I see why.
Plugs. That was.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pretty clean in there.
This was plastic?
Yeah.
I know.
Plugs.